Oh, I love fabrics. You know I love fabrics. We have just a great selection today. And today only we're going to do them at $12.99. Yeah, $12.99 is an awesome price. This is 100% cotton. It's a zigzag, we called it. And it's got great colors and all for fall. The milk is the background, and then it's got a lavender and a wine and a black. Just a really pretty fabric, lightweight, again 100% cotton, great for blouses. I put this white in because it's the last white we have. I'm hoping to get some more white in. But this is stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly, perfect for a blouse. Not see-through, but just perfect for a blouse. Lightweight, just great. Really nice for that. Again, a cotton poly. Now again, these are all $12.99 today. $12.99 today. This is almost like a linen. It's 100% cotton. Well, it's a linen cotton, I'm sorry. It says right there on the tag. It's a linen cotton blend. So pretty. It's just a really nice hand. But the print, you know, you just doesn't have wrinkling. I don't know what the deal is on this. You know, maybe they're just getting better at fabrics, but it's just really pretty. It's got a really pretty green, purple, and a little orange, very contemporary in its colors. And then this pink, I love this, kind of this tie-dyed pink. I just think it's really pretty. This is like a gauze. It's 100% cotton. It's like a dual layer. It's very pretty. I mean, $12.99 for this is just a runaway. Same with this. This is 100% viscose, great drape. Just a beautiful fabric, very Italian looking to me. With the colors and with the prints, it's just really pretty. Again, 100% viscose. And then we just have a little bit left of this. This was with a Chanel fabric that we sold. It's kind of a rose gray color. It's beautiful. It's a cotton poly, and just pretty. Great drape. Just really beautiful drape, which just means it's really densely woven. And it has really small spaces. So that's today, $12.99. Get some great fabrics for now. And then, of course, they transition. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.